What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are just taking care of my engine crane. I received it today. I gotta put it all together, and it looks like it's gonna be a little bit of work, so I might not be able to get to the stream today, but if I get it done early enough, back to the grind. And before I get to the engine crane, I want to show you the D17, well, the Honda Civic EM2. It's a 2001 with a D17 non-vtec. I don't know if you can see the plate there, but it's D17A8. Don't like the engines at all. I don't know, Honda kind of like messed up with these engines. But yeah, this is the baby of the house with a DC5 steering wheel with Type R seats from the EP3. Sorry for the light if it's not doing so well, but that's the baby. So yeah, I will be working on the engine crane. Then I'll be doing the engine. If anything, I guess I could do it tomorrow if I get this done early enough. And another thing is, he's here. Got the front, rear, main seal, spark plugs, the belt, head gasket, exhaust gasket, valve cover gasket, thrust washers, the intake gasket, and the timing chain kit with a tensioner. This is to paint the engine, wetting the main bearings and the rod bearings. Whenever I get this monstrosity all together, I'll get back to you guys. Before I forget something, I gotta explain something about Type R EP3. The Type R EP3 here in Europe, not in the States, because I know in the States the EP3 is a SI. Here in Europe is a Type R with a K28 200 horses. And just wanted to add that there before I see in the comments, oh, it's not the Type R, it's the SI. Well, here in Europe, the Honda Civic Type R EP3, or I should say, the Honda Civic EP3 is the Type R here in Europe. That's all I wanted to explain, just in case. Get it clear. What is going on? I'm back. And engine crane done. But it's the next day. I finished pretty late doing that crane. It had a lot of bolts and a lot of stuff and no instructions, so I had to guess. But it looks like it's gonna do good, and I got it done. So we're gonna work on the stream here. I'm just gonna go right ahead and start working, trying to get some progress done and see if we can take this engine out in this video. Not gonna show that because there's a lot of videos on how to take engines out there, and I bet it's gonna be pretty boring for you guys, so I'm not gonna do that. So let's get to it.
1 hour later.
Well, fam, I was trying to do some progress. Well, actually, I did a little bit of progress. It's like Young Static says. Progress. No, how about it he says? Little progress is better than no progress. You guys know what I mean. Yeah, whoever watches Young Static. Have a little progress, but ran to a little problem that I need 34 millimeter socket for the axles. So many tools I have here, but no 34 millimeter socket. Wow. But I did remove the lines from the air compressor and remove the lines from, or not remove, but yeah, remove the heater hose from the engine. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. There's one, and the other one is back there. So as soon as I get that 34 millimeter socket, I can take the axles out, exhaust, and then it's onto the motor mounts, so the engine will be out. The video will be maybe staggered in a couple days, or will be between 2 or 3 days, but the engine will come out on this video. It will definitely come out. It needs to come out. I need it out. I have to get this car running, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. Didn't find a 34 or 36 millimeter socket for my axles, so we're gonna have to do something else to try to take these axles off. Might have to go through the lower control arm. Gonna have to try to get through the control arm and the strut. See if I can take it out. Hopefully this is a success, because I need this engine out. We will see what we can do. If not, gotta keep looking for a 34, 36. Maybe order it on Amazon. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. Alright, guys, tried my best to get it off, but I broke the boot of the ball joint. And before I keep breaking things, I'd rather stop and find that 34, 36 millimeter socket and do it the right way, like I like to do things. So I'm gonna stop right here and order that socket Amazon, since I can't find it in any store. Weird, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. But at least I have a little bit of progress in, and now I guess we will have to take the engine out in the next video. I wanted to do it on this video, but life happens. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you on the next video.